Ever wondered which platform is better for your online business, Shopify or Payhip? Let's delve into the world of e-commerce to find out. On one hand, we have Shopify, a comprehensive e-commerce platform that opens up the world to business owners. It's a one-stop shop that allows you to set up your own online store, manage your inventory, and track your sales. It's like having your own personal digital marketplace. On the other hand, we have Payhip, a platform that speaks to the heart of creators. Payhip empowers creatives to sell digital products directly to their audience. It's a platform that simplifies the process of selling your digital art, ebooks, music, and so much more. So we have two unique platforms, each with its own approach to e-commerce. Both platforms have their strengths, but which one is the right fit for your business? So what makes Shopify a popular choice among e-commerce enthusiasts? Well, for starters, Shopify shines with a user-friendly interface. It's intuitive, clean, and well-designed, making it easy for anyone to set up a professional-looking online store. Then there's the extensive app market. Shopify boasts thousands of apps that can add all sorts of functionality to your store. From customer reviews to shipping calculators, this makes it a highly customizable platform that can adapt to your specific business needs. Shopify also has advanced SEO features, allowing your store to rank well in search engine results and attract more organic traffic. But every rose has its thorns. Shopify charges additional transaction fees unless you're using their own Shopify payments. This can eat into your profits, especially if your store has high sales volumes. Lastly, despite its user-friendly interface, Shopify can be complex for beginners. The platform has a steep learning curve, especially when dealing with advanced features. While Shopify offers a robust platform for your online store, it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. Now, let's turn our attention to Payhip. What does this platform have to offer? Payhip is an e-commerce platform that stands out due to its simplicity. It's a straightforward, no-frills platform that allows you to sell digital products directly to your customers. Best of all, there are no upfront costs. You only pay a small percentage of your sales, which means you can start selling without a hefty initial investment. However, no platform is without its cons. While Payhip's simplicity is a pro for some, it can also be a con for others. It lacks the advanced features and customization options offered by other platforms like Shopify. This could limit your ability to create a unique and engaging shopping experience for your customers. Furthermore, Payhip's focus on digital products might not suit businesses that also want to sell physical goods. Payhip could be a solid choice if you're a creative looking to sell digital products, but it may not offer the comprehensive solution that some businesses need. So, Shopify or Payhip? Which one should you choose for your online business? It's a question that warrants careful consideration. Let's summarize what we've discussed. Shopify shines as a comprehensive solution, equipped with advanced features to support your business growth. It's a powerhouse of e-commerce, boasting impressive stats such as powering over 1 million businesses in more than 175 countries. If you're seeking a robust platform that can handle complex online transactions and offer a wide range of customizable options, Shopify could be your go-to. On the flip side, Payhip brings simplicity to the table. It makes selling digital products a breeze, allowing you to focus on creating and marketing your content without worrying about the technicalities. If your priority is ease of use and direct digital product sales, Payhip might just be the perfect fit for you. In the end, the best platform for your business will depend on your specific needs and goals. So consider your options carefully before making a decision.